wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pet grooming gloves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Mr. Peanuts Hand D is great for skittish animals, as it can deshed and comfort them at the same time. It makes your furry friend actually enjoy the process instead of running away, but the fit may be a bit tight around the wrist for bigger hands. It works well on short hair, and the mesh liner dries quickly. However, it can be difficult to clean. At number 9, the Bemix Pets Long and Short come as a pair with a bonus trimmer tool, so you get a lot of bang for your buck. They're excellent at removing mats without pulling or hurting, and can be used on a variety of animals, including horses and bunnies. The thick material protects your hands, and they can also remove hair from furniture, but they're not very durable. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the fitpup deshedding are available in medium or large, and they can be used on dogs and cats of all sizes. They have individual fingers, which allow for greater maneuverability than mitt-style models, and the water-resistant palms keep your hands dry. These can be used while bathing and promote healthy skin. However, the plastic bristles are a bit rough. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pet grooming gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Delomo massage are available in red and blue and have 255 soft silicone tips that collect loose hair and dander without tugging or scratching the skin. They're easy to slip on, have an adjustable wrist strap, and are made of 100% recyclable materials. They also remove dirt and are a one-size-fits-all design. They can be machine washed too. Moving up our list to number 6. The Pat Your Pet Gentle are tight-fitting, so they won't hinder your movement the way the bulkier models do. They're suitable for cats, dogs, and horses, and can be used on both long and short-haired breeds, so they're great for multi-animal households. They're good for hard-to-reach spots and provide a relaxing massage. Fur peels off them easily. Halfway up our list at number 5. The exgreem 360 is made entirely of silicone, so it won't hold moisture or let your hands get wet when bathing, and the short bristles are extremely gentle on sensitive skin. It's available in 5 fun colors and cleans up easily with a quick rinse. It features a cute paw print design and an eco-friendly material. It's suitable for curly-haired breeds. At number 4, with the 2-in-1 Pat Your Pet Mitt, you can achieve professional results without any hassle. Its massaging rubber palm is great for taking out mats and tangles, while the velour side can be used to delint your couch or sweater. It's great for daily use and contains no harsh or irritating materials. It comes with a money-back guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Pet Thunder deshedding offers an amazing solution for keeping fur balls at bay. The gentle rubber bristles safely remove excess hair, while also stimulating circulation to reveal a healthy, shiny outer coat. Plus, it's easy to clean when you're done. It's made of recyclable materials and can be used wet or dry. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pet grooming gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the hippiepet combi features a spiral pattern to better trap loose fur and provide a massage-like effect. The opposite side functions like a lint roller for furniture and clothing, and the adjustable Velcro strap fits almost any wrist size. It's equipped with soft silicone bristles and a hanging loop for storage. It works on all hair lengths. And taking the top spot on our list, the Handson award-winning are made of hypoallergenic material that's tough yet flexible, and the scrubbing nodes make them great for bath time. They gently clean sensitive areas like legs, faces, and ears, and the compact design fits easily in your pocket or bag. They help to distribute natural oils and are resistant to mildew. They're available in 5 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pet grooming gloves, or simply click beneath this video.